Hey, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de and I'm here at the FSP booth at Computex 2015. We're having a look at the NBH with 110 watts and also the one with 65 watts. So basically this is your AC adapter, but there's something special about it. It has also a USB 3.0 hub. So it comes with several little tips for almost any notebook. So this is a universal power adapter, and you also have the connection to your PC, so you can use this one as a USB 3.0 hub. So this is the new NBH 110 watts from FSP over here at the Computex 2015. If you have any questions about this device, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube. That will help me a lot. So thanks for watching. Bye.